Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the SSD and TV so the connection works reliably. Start with a formatted drive in NTFS or XFAT for large files. TCL often reads those. Next, attach the SSD via a USB 3.0 enclosure or hub. Use a powered enclosure for NVMe or larger SATA drives to prevent power drops. Once connected, make sure the TV firmware is current. Outdated software can block mounts. This sets the stage for the TV to detect and use the drive without errors. With the SSD connected, you move into mounting and organizing media. First, plug into the USB port clearly labeled for media or USB HDD. Some TCL ports supply more power. Then navigate the TCL settings to storage or open the built-in media player to browse folders. The TV will scan for media files. If you need the TV to optimize the drive for recordings or apps, format it from TV settings, but only do that if the SSD has no needed files, because formatting erases data. Finish by verifying everything plays smoothly from the SSD. Test a variety of files, a 4K video, an MP3, and a JPEG to confirm compatibility. If the TV fails to recognize the drive, try a different USB cable, a powered USB hub, or reformat the SSD to XFAT on a PC and reconnect. Also check codecs. TCL may not support some container or codec combinations, so convert files or use a streaming device. One key tip: power issues are the most common cause of detection failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.